All right, let's start the session. Welcome everyone. Hope you're doing good. It's Friday, 3rd of July 2026, and we are live. Yesterday we talked about US30. It's been doing good to us. um, I'm not sure about you, but I entered. So yesterday we entered around here, and during the New York session, actually we can go to 5 minutes so you can see which exactly we entered actually here. I think it was 9, yeah, around here we entered, and we saw a bit of profit and then a little bit of coming back, bit of a drawdown, and then starting to push up. By session changeover, it was on profit, and then by Asian session, it was it hit the level. I saw price breaking levels and rejecting it, so I closed my trade. So basically, if we go to 30 minutes, so we basically had we took this buy, we had this one and this one. Basically every move US30 had was called and traded live here. Hope you made some money here with us. And then Euro Canadian and GBP Canadian, two pair that I said yesterday that I don't want to miss them. I missed it because they came at Asian session. Everything was aligned perfect to execution. I was not on the chart. I was busy with dealing with stuff. So now that we are more disciplined on joining in these sessions and showing up every day at this time, I think it's time to add that Asian session, 1 hour Asian session trading too. Not in live stream because I can't, at that time I can't go live, but just to, look at the charts myself. Welcome everyone, welcome. So, EuroCAD, GCAD, played out exactly as we want. Still have a chance. You see, they're at this high, they had a push, they might play the high and come back down again, touching the levels. You see we have a level up here, 1.6 to 700, which is exactly at the high. So if they hit it and come back down, then we might have a chance, but I don't think it's gonna be this week. I think it will be into next week that it's gonna be tradable. So, GBP Canadian. Actually, I took the EuroCAD. Let me check the chart real quick. I mean, my history. I'm not sure if I took it. I don't think so. I did. Yep. So I had it. I had a buy on it, and then it hit the level. Yeah, I remember. It hit the level at the New York session, close to end of it, and I saw it a little bit in lower time frame, with this hitting the level, rejecting it, and bearish engulfing, and I closed it because it wasn't at the ideal place, so I knew it's gonna come down, and actually it would have stopped me out because we entered around. After this push, we didn't enter. I don't think we entered before. Let me see. Let's check the history here. So good to join. 1.62175. Yeah, so this is where we entered. And my stop loss probably by session changeover because it was below this level. By session changeover and a spread play, it would hit me. But I closed it with a bit of a profit that I was this much. and you know, it is what it is. But hopefully it's gonna hit that level and come back down. We are looking for this, so let's just be patient. Same with GBP Canadian. Missed that one too, but we didn't even enter on this one. And as of right now, just like EuroCAD, I have to wait for it to come back down. And it's Friday, so I don't wanna. And I heard markets are closing earlier today a little bit for 4th of July. So GBP USD and Euro USD. Now I can see the weak rejection on daily, following by. You can see how that level was tested yesterday. Beautiful wick on 1 hour, and looking at Euro USD, pretty much same thing, but the difference in GBP USD is that it broke all DMAs, hit these two perfectly, which is the level as well, and now working in there. It wouldn't be considered a counter trend for me, to be honest, and the stop loss is about 55 pips if you want to enter on this one. 45 pips, 50 pips, more than enough. And it's coming back to DMA. Let's take a try. I added magic key here, so I would be much easier to. I said 55 pips, right? Magic key is so good. 132. 750 looks like on 1 hour it would be a nice 130 to 750. It would be 1 hour, 3 hour DMA, and it can be much bearish too, you know, but that's the safe play. So I'm gonna have it. I can have it to the low here too, but then it wouldn't be today. But let's see, it would be 131,500. I would actually sorry, I don't have coffee anymore. I have to go buy it. 131,750. That's the low of that's the low here, 131,500 actually. So that would be about 200 pips from here. All right, and that would be about 200 pips from here, but it's more macro. So from 75 pips today to 200 pips by the end of next week, maybe. God knows, it takes one news. Boom. See, just that's the 141 pips drop. That would be the 140 pips. Okay, so the Euro USD, I don't like it because I don't see all of these DMAs rejected. So I'm gonna try the GU. And gold also came to DMA up here, broke the level, consolidated above it, and now is breaking it below. So I don't really want to decide anything on it. No trading on this one for me. GBP JPY on other hand too, you can see it reached the DMA on daily, didn't really touch it, but you can see in 3 hour they touched the DMA, bullish engulfing, rejected it again, crossed to the upside, daily is bullish, price is above yearly moving average, and when candles are above it, we expect price to continue to push. That's what average means. So looking at 1 hour, you can see now the level is also being rejected perfectly. 214,750 key level. So all of these are confluences, and these confluences are coming with no drawing and no guessing. It's literally reading price action and how it's behaving close to these two indicators. So on 15 minutes, we're seeing a break of these, and looking at 5 minutes, cross up, and 30 minutes was already crossed up too. So no break whatsoever on all of the time frames. It's a perfect setup. And I'm already in it right before session. It was like 5 minutes before session, and it was hourly close. So I'm already into this one with 50 pips to stop loss. Sorry, 40 pips to stop loss. You can go up to 60, it's up to you, but I don't think they're gonna hit it again with all this weeks thrown down. I think it's just time to go. It looks like it's time to go. That's a better way to put it. You know? So in these two trades that I'm in, I'm betting on basically GBP being neutral. So the GU can be dropped to DMA while GJ gonna be pushing up. You see? And looking at Euro JPY, I don't like the way daily is. It doesn't have really clear direction, and it looks like sell on this thing. But you see, same thing, perfect respect to these. It can start reversing and not respect the 30. See, 15 minutes is crossed up already. It can just break this one. You know, so nothing on this. USD CHF coming down to daily DMA. Now it's reaching all 4 average on daily. Not that we were touching USD CHF, but we should continue not touching it. USD CAD had a little bit of drop yesterday, consolidating around the DMA. I think with this high being broken and they're working above the high, I think we're gonna see a push to this area, about like a 200 pips drop. Either this week or next week, we'll see. It's can work here, continue working on Tuesday, on Monday as well. So it can basically continue working here up to Monday and creates a high on Monday, hit this level on Tuesday and start reversing. So we would have a Tuesday reversal on this. It's a hard guess, it's too early to say. Just looking at Euro AUD. Euro AUD doesn't look bullish to come up here. I think it's just gonna stand there. These are the pairs on red lights, which are not really clear in direction, so we're just gonna pass them over. Nothing really interesting on them. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Yesterday I said it's starting to get bullish. I'm still saying it. Ripple going up nicely. Looking at Bitcoin in terms of if we can trade it right now. You could if you want, with about 100, I don't know, it's 1,000 pips or 100 pips stop loss. Exactly, but let's see. BTC, USD, and this thing doesn't close, I assume. During the weekend. So if we have stop loss. I got into Bitcoin too. Let's choose a better TB. TP can easily be 70k. Taking a swing here. Okay. Alright, so we have this thing to GBP/USD. Good. So bullish Bitcoin. Let's put that buy in it. And US30 is off. GU we're selling. In GJ we're buying. Right? Yes, GJ buy, GU sell. Bitcoin buy. In US30, I think it's a sell right now. I think it's a sell. Going at 5 minutes. It does look, it's a sell right now, but it's pretty against my stuff. But this much of a stop loss we need to. Or it can have a stop hunt to the level by 9:30. If it is stop hunts to level, I'll sell at level. Actually, I won't. No, not going against my plan. No, thank you. Not touching US30. We are into couple trades. 3 trades already. One of them is swing, so it wouldn't really be considered into my trading stuff, but we'll see. Great. Alrighty, let's move this Bitcoin to the negative figures of it. Oh, I didn't know that's possible. Sick. And yeah, that's basically the trades for today. Let's put them on here. GG on this one. We can go to 30 minutes so it looks sexy. So GBP USD sell, it's because of I'm gonna put these so if someone joins the live they know what we're doing. So here's and GJ got a long. That looks alright. Oh, we have the Bitcoin too, but the Bitcoin we're gonna do it separate. Bitcoin is buy for sure. Let's open the thing too. to go buy a coffee. So GJ looks like starting to push. Not GU. Bitcoin as well. Waiting for the game to load up now. Let me know if you guys are into any trade too. We can take a look. Let's get to some server. Oh, by the way, Portugal won. Just told you. My told you moment. We're gonna have a hard time. Now if the trades are moving, it's actually the, it's actually the close to 4th of July too. I can't bear it. Oh my god. That was fun. Oh hey bro, how you doing? We are at GU sell, GJ buy, Bitcoin buy. Hey. Let's go. These guys are so good. I can't even touch them. And they got the ball fucking hack. Seriously. to run in the stairs. Why am I back at this one? Oh, that's just a second ago. Oh my god. I'll do something to you. I can't just sit there. Now he can't play like a normal dog because of me. Who's that? Who's that? I'm watching his game more than I play. Nothing really moving, guys. So I'm looking at my tree. I saw a flying tourist. $9.40. I'm not really going to charts because we did our analysis. You can see the positions we're in, so I can happily just think good. Let me just go grab some. Oh, new update on MT5. is such a great hacker. Losers. Jeez. Good job. Run through the jungle. Let's check the trades. Bitcoin bullish. Geo not in profit yet. Adding like the 15 minutes. Should add. Sorry, I'm Geo. And GJ in profit. The new updates shows the dollar amounts down there. You want to add that fucking emotion right now. Like even if you're looking at the chart, see all this stuff going on. Let's sit and watch. Oh my god. Oh jeez. No Zeus and you do Zeus. How he killed motherfuckers. That's stupid. She banned him for life. Dude, seriously. Yeah, it's a no Zeus. Fuck you. I'm the one with Zeus tattoo. No Zeus. I am the Zeus. I hate this one, please. Change it. Somebody's dead. It's gonna go mad, bro. It's 9:50. I think this round is 10 minutes after this. I'm gonna call it up. Call it a big. guys are either so freaking good. I'm done with them. I'm done with them. Fuck you guys. They're so fucking good. Alright guys, that's it. GBP USD running it a little bit. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it. I'm holding over the weekend, to be honest with you. At least I don't know it right now. Let's go to the full charts real quick and put them back on normal. So GBP USD, as you can see, looking alright. Following as I was thinking, it's gonna continue after hitting that level. Gonna come to the DMAs. My sell is not based on any other time frame than daily. I'm trying to get into this week that is happening on daily time frame. So probably I'll keep GBP USD and GBP JPY also. I'm not sure. I might hold both of them honestly. And Bitcoin, really, I can't tell you what I'm gonna do. Depends on how market is when it's gonna close for the week. I might hold, I might not. Depend on the conditions. Alright guys, I'll update you on Monday on what I did. So come back and watch it. Peace out.